again. So today I have a very quick unboxing to show you guys. So today we're going to be unboxing my September Earfleek. So basically I always feel like Earfleek gets like here at the end of the month, so I have to post it the next month by the time I get everything edited and everything. But for those of you who don't know, Earfleek is a monthly earring subscription. So it falls into the jewelry / fashion category. Earfleek is like $3.17 every month. Basically you can go through and you can they give you an option to go through it and swipe right on the earrings you like and swipe left on the earrings you don't like. I would love to get a pair of pizza earrings. So basically the way Earfleek works is there's 3 different subscription choices you can make. Each of them costs the same. One of them is classic, one of them is trendy, and then one of them is a mix of both. I chose the mix of both. I'm still really hoping that I get pizza earrings or something fun and whimsical, but I'd also be down for something super duper glittery. So here is what the package looks like when you get it in the mail. And then here we go. So it says, "Hey girl, here's a fun pair of earrings styled just for you. Hope you love your new bling." Okay, so this is the card. And here are my earrings. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, it's kind of hard to get it out of the bubble wrap, but they look like something that I like. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, guys, I didn't get a pair of earrings that have the wood on them. Maybe they finally started listening to my preferences, because I always swipe left on the wood. Only thing that kind of low-key sucks about Earfleek is they don't send you backings. However, a bunch of guys left comments in my last Earfleek unboxing that says you can get a pack of earring backings at Walmart. I know you can get them off of AliExpress. You can get 100 for $1, plastic ones. I always use the plastic ones, they're literally like rubber, because I don't know, they're just a lot more comfortable in my ear. But look how pretty these earrings are. I didn't even show you guys. I'm just sitting here rambling on. So basically these, oh, and the hoops don't really spread apart that much, which is lit. Okay, so these are they look like white gold, or it's obviously not real white gold because this subscription is cheap. So these are obviously painted or sprayed. So here's what the earring looks like, and these are so freaking cute. I am so happy that I just got a pair of earrings that I actually like. I always go in and I always have FOMO, fear of missing out, so that's why I keep staying with them. But look, I can be sassy in my earrings, guys. Look how freaking cute these are. Oh my gosh, I'm actually really, really happy with these. And I'm so glad that they don't have the wood in the middle, because that would be so sad. But I'm actually really freaking hey, hey, hey. Hey, look how cute I look. I love these earrings so freaking much. And I think Earfleek is a great way. It is a little bit risky because, again, this is the only second pair of earrings that I've gotten that I'm really, really loving. It's a great way that you can have something to look forward to, and you don't even have to spend $5. It's the cheapest subscription box that I at least know of on the market. And it's, something a little cute, something you can spice up your wardrobe and, not feel like you're wasting money, because you can always just donate them. So that is it for my September Earfleek unboxing. What do you guys think of these earrings? Do you think they're the cutest pair I've ever gotten? I'd love to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.